Mango smoothie. One mango pieces. Half cup of curd. Two tablespoons of milk. One tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Half teaspoon of LASSI powder. Few chopped dry fruits. Some ice cubes. Add mango pieces into a jar. Add curd. Add milk. Add LASSI powder. Add milk powder. Add sugar. Add ice cubes. Grind it. Smoothie is ready. It's time to serve. Garnish with mango chunks, chopped dry fruits, and mint. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Enjoy the yummy and chilled mango smoothie. Thanks for watching.